Hi guys, I thought I'd make this quick video on getting payment on InstaMojo and adding the student to your Zenler course. So we Indians face this huge problem where the learning management systems don't integrate with Indian payment gateways, and we are often forced to use other gateways like PayPal or other Stripe like US payment gateways. So here in this video I'll be showing you how to integrate a Indian payment gateway with a learning management system. The Indian payment gateway could be InstaMojo or Razorpay, and for the learning management system I am using Newzenler, which is again a great tool. It's cheap, it's not costly as compared to Teachable and others, and it offers more features. For interconnecting both of these, InstaMojo and Zenler, I'll be using a automation tool like Zapier, which is Pabbly Connect. So you can access this tool. This tool is on a special discount right now. You can access this tool by going to akashlal.com/pabbly-connect. So this tool can help you integrate one app to another. It's just like an integration machine. You might have heard of Zapier or something. So it's just like that. Zapier is too costly. This is currently available at a cheaper rate. So it's like you'll be paying $79 one time, and you'll be getting 2,500 tasks per month for life. So here a task would be like if you get a payment, then the trigger will happen, and the task would be to sign up the user to your Zenler site or add the user to your Zenler course. So this could be one task. So you can do it like 2,500 times. So I think that's enough for most of us. Or if you want higher number of tasks, you can go for higher course. This is a lifetime deal, which means that you pay once and you get to access it for life. If you want normal deal, then you can just go to pabbly.com and okay, pabbly.com and then search for the product, which is Connect, and the pricing would be on a per month basis. So it would be like $9 per month, where you get 12,000 tasks. So I think that's a bit costly, and this is a special offer which they are which is currently going on. So I thought I'd just make a quick video on this while the offer is still active. So here I have InstaMojo, and here I have Pabbly Connect. So first of all, I'll be adding a new workflow where I'll say get paid in INR, get paid via InstaMojo, and add student to course. So here I'll create this workflow. So this workflow will have a number of tasks. This workflow should get triggered whenever you get a payment from InstaMojo, right? So you will be using this. You will choose app webhook. You will copy this, and in the webhook testing tool in InstaMojo, which is available here, you will paste this URL and you will send webhook. Okay, you have to first select a product like a test sale and then send webhook. So once you do this, webhook posted, it will just denote that the webhook has been posted, and here you will click capture webhook response. Okay, after clicking this, you have to send webhook. So the details which is shown here should be posted here as well. Okay, so it's basically like a test sale is done with email ID. You get the email ID of the test sale, you get how much amount he paid, and then you get some other details from him. So here you will just save this, and then in the next step, since you have the details of the guy who just paid, you will choose Zenler API, because you have to add the student to Zenler, and you have two options, either add new user or enroll user to course. So here if the one who paid via InstaMojo is not a user yet, you need to first add him. So I'll click add new Zenler, then I'll click connect with Zenler. So here I already have my credentials saved. So it's like you need two credentials, one Zenler account API key and one name of the school. So this can be something you get from Zenler account. I already have added it, and then I'll hit save. So here I'll need to enter the first name, the last name, and the email address of student who is going to be registered. So here I'll choose the first name from this sale. So the first name is ADSF, and I'll leave the last name blank. I got this ADSF from this part where, for example, if someone paid on InstaMojo, then the first name would be transferred from InstaMojo to here, and from here you will just forward it to Zenler. So here I'll also need to forward the user ID, which would be this email address. Then I'll need to register him as a student, and I'll need to set a password. PASSWOR. Okay, so I'll hit save. Okay, so here in my Zenler school I have 0 students. I have set up this test Zenler school. I don't have any student here. So if I send a test request, you will see that the student would have been added here. I'm just like verifying if what I'm doing is right. So as you can see, the student has been added here. And now I have this demo course where there are 0 enrollments. So what I'll get this automation software to do is, I'll also, once I have added him to school, I'll also enroll him to this course, because the student paid via InstaMojo to enroll to this course. So I'll go here and I'll add the step, and I'll use Zenler, add student to course, connect, and then use the same API, save. Here I'll enter the user ID. So here once the sign up is done, you get the user ID here. As you can see, data ID. So this is the user ID. So I'll select this. From API 1, which was the InstaMojo API, I don't need anything, but from API 2 I'll need the user ID, and I'll enroll him to the demo course which I have here. So once I do that, I hit save. Okay, so this workflow is saved successfully, and I'll send a test request just to ensure that this is working. And once that's done, test is successfully done, I'll hit reload, and you will be able to see one enrollment here. 1 enrollments. As you can see, the student who paid via InstaMojo, this guy, not only got added to our Zenler school here, but also got added to the demo course here. So this is a successful workflow created, so that whenever someone pays, this webhook will be triggered, and afterwards this Zenler school will be added as a new user, and he'll also be enrolled to a course. So this workflow takes 2 tasks. For example, this is not a task because this is a trigger, and then this and this would be tasks: 1 to add user to the site, and 1 to add user to the course. So this workflow will take 2 tasks. Every time someone pays via InstaMojo, 2 tasks will be consumed, and he'll be added to your site. Okay, so moving forward, I'll need to still automate this, because I have not added this webhook to a sale, right? So I'll first need to create another workflow, add webhook to sale. So here I'll use InstaMojo. Okay, I'll ignore this. So here I'll create a payment link. I'll connect with InstaMojo, and I'll add my API key and auth token from InstaMojo page. I'll be pausing this video and continuing after I have added this API. So once I have added this InstaMojo API, I'll just select it and I'll hit save. So once I've done that, so just let me make this clear. I'm creating a payment link from InstaMojo, and I have to put the webhook of this one, because every time someone buys something from InstaMojo from that particular link, you will want this workflow to happen, right? So I'll copy the link from this trigger. Okay, so this trigger should happen whenever someone purchases something from InstaMojo, and that something I'll need to create here. So here I'll add this plus. I forgot to save it. InstaMojo here. I'll need to create a payment link, connect with InstaMojo, select the API, and hit save. So here I'll need to add the purpose. This would be like the title of the product, to purchase the 9 rupee course, and here the amount, it would be 9 rupees. Allow repeated payments. True. Okay. Allow repeated payments. For example, if you want multiple people to purchase the same course, and then the webhook URL would be the one which you copied from the last workflow. So I'll need to paste it here and I'll hit save. So once I have saved this, I'll send this test request and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, this product has been created. It's not a product, it's a payment link has been created, and you will see the long URL of this here. So I'll need to copy this long URL, and whenever someone purchases this thing, what happens is this trigger is triggered, this webhook is triggered. So as you can see, it ends with QI. So I'll just open up the workflow which happens when this webhook is triggered. So this workflow, so the webhook will be triggered, and then this guy who purchases this thing would be added to your Zenler page, and he will also be enrolled to your Zenler course. So as you can see, in my students list there is only one demo student right now, and also there is only one student, and also in this demo course there is only one enrollment. So I'll just check this out. I'll show this. So I'll add my name, Akash, demo, 9 rupee, InstaMojo, and I'll add my email here, which would be akash.bathe plus test plus publicconnect@gmail.com, and I'll add my phone number, and I'll proceed to pay 9 rupees. So here I'll be doing the payment via UPI. I have done the payment, it's transaction pending, and the transaction has been successful. So as you can see, the payment successful is done. I'm getting the payment ID and all, but behind the scenes what happens is this workflow will get triggered, and then the guy who purchased this, in this case me, I'll be added to this Zenler course, this Zenler site as a student, and I'll also be added to the Zenler course, which will verify by coming here. I'll hit the reload and you will see my entry too. As you can see, this I just paid via this, and I'm automatically added to this Zenler as a student, and also I'll be added to this course as a student as well. See, 2 enrollments. If I go into the students enrolled, I'll be able to see that I have been added as a student. Okay, sorry. If I hit edit, then I'll be able to see that I'm enrolled in this course. Sorry, not purchases. Not sure what happened. Okay, anyway, you get the point. It's like so anyone who purchases this will be added to your school as well as to the course. So under the courses for this user, I'll be able to see that he's also enrolled in demo course. So you'll be essentially you can essentially use Pabbly Connect to connect the sale from InstaMojo to your Zenler course, and you can basically automate whatever sales that happen via InstaMojo. Will be automatically added to the Zenler course. So this Connect is this is a really good tool. It starts at $9 per month for 12,000 tasks, or if you want discounted lifetime plan, you can always go to akashdal.com and Pabbly Connect. So in this link you will be able to see that this tool is also on a lifetime deal. Pabbly Connect, okay, the Pabbly Connect LTD $79. One time you get 2,500 tasks per month for life. So it's like okay, just coming to the, I'll clarify what this task is. So each task would be this block. So here you see 3 blocks in this workflow. One is trigger, one is this, and one is this. So here trigger is not counted as a task, since trigger is something which like InstaMojo triggers this, right? So this is not a task. But however, in this case, in both of these cases, the Pabbly goes to your Zenler side and it adds a student. Pabbly goes to your Zenler side and adds the student to the course. So these both would be tasks. So once someone makes this payment, these two tasks will be done, and you will be from your monthly quota of 2,500 tasks. You two tasks will be what they say deducted. So from 2,500 upon two, just like you can 1,250 students can enroll this way to your school in this basic, I mean the cheapest $79 lifetime plan. So I hope you find this useful. This is a really great tool, and it's a really good deal because other alternatives like Zapier are really costly. I hope you will consider this, and yeah, if you have any doubt, just comment below. I've been in the e-learning scene for like 7 years now, so I'll be happy to help you with anything related to e-learning or such softwares. Have a good day. Bye.